to avoid over-diversification in your mutual fund portfolio. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about an important topic: how to avoid over-diversification in your mutual fund portfolio. Diversification is a key principle in investing, but when you take it too far, it could actually hurt your returns. Let's take a closer look at how you can strike the right balance. What is diversification? To start, diversification simply means spreading your investments across different assets to reduce risk. The idea is to ensure that if one investment performs poorly, the others can help compensate for the losses. In the case of mutual funds, this typically involves investing in a mix of different sectors, regions, or asset classes like stocks and bonds. What is over-diversification? However, there is a fine line. Over-diversification happens when you spread your investments too thin across too many assets. While diversification is generally good, having too many funds or assets can limit your returns. When you over-diversify, you may be spreading your investments across funds that are too similar or even end up holding redundant assets. How over-diversification affects your portfolio? One of the major issues with over-diversification is that it can dilute potential gains. If you own too many similar funds, they might all react in the same way to market conditions. For example, having multiple funds that invest heavily in the same sector or stocks means you are not really gaining much from the diversification. This can also increase your management fees and lead to a less efficient portfolio. Signs of over-diversification. So, how can you tell if you have over-diversified? First, check if your funds are too similar. If you have multiple funds that invest in the same stocks or sectors, you might be duplicating your exposure. Another sign is if you're investing in too many funds, leading to a situation where your portfolio becomes harder to manage and track. Lastly, look at the performance of your funds. If they are not providing enough return for the amount of risks you are taking, it could be a sign of over-diversification. How to avoid over-diversification? To avoid over-diversification, focus on quality over quantity. Rather than investing in a large number of funds, choose a few that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Consider the asset allocation strategy of each fund and make sure you're not doubling up on the same type of investment. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure that it remains balanced and make adjustments as needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more guidance on managing your investments. See you in the next video. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.